Manipur da haukiba chahi ani makhairom asada haurakliba angangsingda mental health issue yamna chawna hengalakpada natana suicide tawbagi case lakliba si health ki crisis oina uba langani masi aikhoigi protection failure amani haina Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights MCPCR gi chairperson Kaisam Pradeep Kumar na hairi Haukiba chahi ani makhairom asada chahi tarahumdoi khaktang ngairiba IDP ani yauna angang mari sibagi case thengnaki masi mental health ki issue oina khakta loba yaroi protection failure mani makhoina thengnarakhiba sing aduna trauma ama oiraga haksel da tainarakpada natana human trafficking dasu victim ama oirakli haiki Wafamasi National Commission for Protection of Child Rights na Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights kapuna kusam naraga pangthokiba nomayoba state level conference on gaps and challenges in implementation on key child rights legislations ki mari lainana phongdokibani Classic Grand gi Imperial Hall da pangthokiba thoramaduga mari lainana Pradeep Kumar na makha taraduna hai Hiram Singh asi yengsana ba Manipur Protection Module ama sembagi tangai fadaba lai masana IDP angang sing asibu yengsinbada chawna mateng oigani haiki Thoramaduda India Linga ki National Commission for Protection of Child Rights ki Member Secretary Dr. Sanjib Sharma Manipur Human Rights Commission ki Acting Chairperson Kangzam Khagendra amadi Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights ki Secretary Robert Singh Khetrimayum su sarukyaki
Mental health issues se yang koina sathagini laigini aduna koina school the games sports tawriba institutions sing the art and culture gi lairiba institutions mayam se punjalaga haraga art therapy yawa life skill yawa loinana koi rims denims health department laiba sing asigi clinical psychologist psychiatric department loi chungjan na rega koi follow up treatment gi provision laiba referral gi provision laiba mechanism ama sem dragadi yamna sporadic oiba nganga ki timama lama yengama clinic am tarosaki bese sina angang de hen negative impact lai sumaina is area sing je phamjaningi loinana ekhoi gi lairiba manipur gi issue ase khoi gi political oiba commitment nama tv dana child rights policy se yam thuna implement toba mase notify toraga implement tobiragadi new khoi emerging issues mayam khoi gender khoi gi non conforming children gi bu oiro ade cyber bullying gi bu oiro tongan tongan anoba tholi ibasing se masi su thengnaba address tobong amni nai khanje